Welcome back in next video tutorial in which I am going to discuss about angles in minor and major segment. Right. First of all, dear students, we'll talk about minor and major segment. For this, take a circle with center A. Now, take a point on the boundary of the circle and I will draw a chord. Right. So BC is a chord. Dear students, as you know the definition of chord, it is a line segment joining two points on the boundary of a circle. Right. And the longest chord is known as the line segment which is passing through the center. Right. Now we'll talk about minor and major segment. In this video lecture, we'll understand about minor segment, major segment. So if we draw a chord, say BC, it divides the circle into two regions. Right. One is smaller region and another is bigger one. Which is the bigger one, dear students? Yes, which includes the center of the circle. It's clearly visible that BC divides the circle into two regions. One is smaller and other is bigger one. The bigger region which includes the center is known as major segment, and the region which is the smaller one, this is known as minor segment. Dear students, I hope you are clear with the definition of segment. It is a region bounded between the chord and arc of a circle. If the smaller arc and chord, the region between smaller arc and chord is known as minor segment. The region included between the greater arc and chord is known as major segment. I hope the definitions of minor segment and major segment is clear to you. If I take a point on the region in the minor segment, this is the region BDC, which is the minor segment. Dear students, will discuss about the angles in the minor and major segment. Now let's draw the angle in minor segment. Yes, let's take another point, draw another angle in the minor segment. If I take another point and I get another angle. So dear students, now let's measure the angles in the minor segment. Measure of angle B, D, E. Yes. Dear students, it is, as you can see, the measure of angle is 118.89 degree. Now let's measure the angle B, E and C. Yes. What do you observe? Yes. Dear students, there are two observations. Through this activity we can discuss about. There are two observations. Yes. The one is in minor segment, measure of angle is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. So clearly we can say in minor segment the angles formed are obtuse. You can change the position of points. You can see measure remains the same. What does indicate? This indicates that in the same segment, measure of angles are equal. As you can see, the angle BDC is equals to angle BEC. These both angles lie in the same segment, that is in the minor segment. So, what is the measure of these angles? That is 118.89 degree, which is same. So, from this, we conclude that in minor segment, the angles formed are obtuse, and another observation is the angles formed in the same segment of a circle are equal in measure. For your better experience, I am going to take another point in the same segments. Let's check it once. If I draw one more angle, let's visualize whether the angles are same or not. Yes, let's take another angle. And join it. Yes, I'm going to move the value so that it would be clearly visible to you all. Now measure this angle. Angle BFC. Yes, dear students. So what is the measure of angle? It's again 118.89. So what we observed, that angles in the same segment are equal in measure, whether it is minor segment or major segments. Let's understand the angles formed in major segment. Now draw one angle in the major segment, say angle BGC. Draw one more angle. Yes, now we will observe 2 points. Yes, measure these angles. The angle BG, just a minute, we need to take the clockwise. Angle C, G and B. Yes, now measure angle C, H and B. Yes, dear students, it's clearly visible that the measure of angle in both the cases are equal. That is 61 degree, 61.11 degree. And one more observations, angles formed in major segment are acute angles, right? So in this activity, we observed that angles formed in the same segment are equal in measure. And second observation is the angles formed in minor segment are of obtuse measure, and angles formed in minor segment are of acute angles. So dear students, I hope you are enjoying the learning, you are visualizing the things. Happy learning. Thank you.